सकलसुरसेवा भसतो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। At the outset of this of my speech, I would like to pray and supplicate Lord Jagannath and Goddess Biraja, the Deity of Bilaspur, the Master Architect of the whole universe, should sprinkle their absolute bliss, humble pleasure, and probably delicate puddles of blessings on the magnanimous persons present in the dais, and in my front all the icons of Bari Block from different schools, highly honorable, venerable, the chief pioneer cum protagonist, and in the first citizen